What's done cannot be undone. If you want to become successful, learn from the best. Earn wisdom by these life-changing lessons from William Shakespeare's legacy to the world. So sit back, relax, and lend me your ears. Let's go!
A fool thinks he is wise, but a wise man knows he's a fool. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. Men of few words are the best men. Our doubts are our traitors. They make us lose what we could probably win if we weren't afraid to try. Some are born great, others achieve greatness. The coward dies at every danger that threatens him, but the brave man dies only once. Self-love is not as deserving of condemnation as a lack of self-respect. We know what we are, but not what we may be. There is nothing good or bad in this world. There is only our attitude toward anything. So sweet is the honey that at last it is bitter. Excess of flavor kills the taste. It's easy for someone to joke about scars if they've never been cut. Be great and act as you have been in thought. The more attractive a woman is, the less she has a chance to have a true love, and the more she is likely to live with a broken heart. With mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come. If we are true to ourselves, we cannot be false to anyone. For sweetest things turn sourest by their deeds. Lilies that fester smell far worse than weeds. If there is a good will, there's great way. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women are merely players. God hath given you one face, and you make yourself another. The more cowardly a person is, the less he values himself. Every obstacle to love only strengthens it.
Which quote do you think touches your heart the most? Comment now. And remember, sharing is caring. Thanks for watching.